Welcome. We are going to establish that AM is greater than GM is greater than equals to HM. That is, arithmetic mean is greater than equals to geometric mean, and it is also either greater than or equals to harmonic mean. Let us assume A and B are two real numbers. So then AM, as you know, equals to A plus B by 2. GM equals to root of AB. HM equals to 2 by 1 by A plus 1 by B. It will go as 2AB by A plus B. This much we are knowing. Now let us see. If we are knowing that if A and B are real numbers, then this is equals to A plus B minus 2 root AB. Since A and B are real numbers, their square quantity can never be negative. Square of a real number can never be negative. Its lowest value will be 0. So from this side we can say A plus B minus 2 root AB is either greater than or equals to 0. Clear? This one cannot be negative. That means this one may be either 0 or positive. Now from here what we can write, A plus B is greater than equals to 2 root AB, or we can say A plus B by 2 greater than equals to root of AB. See this one, that means A is greater than GA. Now let us see further from here. If we are multiplying by root AB both sides, root AB into A plus B equals to 2AB. So it is not equals to, it was greater than equals to. Or from here what we can say, root AB greater than equals to 2AB by A plus B. This is here, GM is greater than HM. So from this thing, from here we can say AM so you can say AM greater than equals to GM, because A plus B greater than equals to 2 root AB, and this GM greater than equals to HM. In this way it can be proved. One more thing I want to say, if this one, see if A equals to B, then this is 2A, this is also 2A. So this is becoming equal. If A equals to B, then this one is also A, this one will also be A. So if this equality holds, AM equals to GM equals to HM only when A equals to B. This equality will hold only when A equals to B. Otherwise, for all values, all real values of A and B, A will be greater than Gm, greater than or equals to, and Gm will be either greater than or equals to Hm. Thank you.